Hey, but Fit, I don't understand this video, man. Can someone explain who's seeing what's going on? What?
Oh my God. Hold on. Are you serious right now?
You can see me?
Jess, if you didn't want to hear from me again, you didn't have to create a fake Facebook memorial page.
Oh, no, it's not fake. I did die.
Oh, right. Okay, whatever you say.
Whatever who says.
Kara, he can see me.
Who are you?
Ben.
Oh my God, you're Ben. So cute in person.
I know.
Yeah, this is my brother, Ben.
Wait, who are you?
I'm Kara. And I'm May.
My best friend, Kara.
Baby from the bar, Kara.
What, baby?
And he can see me.
You can see her?
Well, of course I could see her. She's right there.
Well, who is right where?
Now I'm more confused on the time I had to solve for X. Like, there's a dead girl, she came with a dead friend, and then there's a sister who the brother can't see, but the girl can see her friend, and the sister can